Hello everyone, this is Sadiq here. In this particular video session, we'll learn about introduction to Tableau. So what is a Tableau? So Tableau is one of the most powerful, secure and flexible and end-to-end analytics platform for your data. Or Tableau is also called as a powerful BI tool, the business intelligence tool. So in this particular session, so we'll try to learn about what is Tableau. We'll try to find out the different products, what is there in Tableau. So we'll see why we have to go for the Tableau, and then we'll see about the different data sources, what is supported with the Tableau. So generally, so here we try to pull the data from the different data sources, and then we try to create a report based on that. So what are the data sources, what is supported by the Tableau? So we'll look into that, and then we'll also look into the different publishing platform where you can publish this particular report, whatever the report you create with the help of the Tableau. To start off with, what is a Tableau? So it says that Tableau is a powerful BI tool, the business intelligence tool. It is mainly used to read the data from the different data sources. Okay, we have the different data sources. Either it can be from the cloud, or it can be from the Excel or CSV file. Okay, or it can be from any data sources, and it can create the reports, which can be in the text format or a graph format, or it can be in the form of a dashboard. So let us see, how do we create this kind of a report with the help of the Tableau. So I'll just open my Tableau. So I'm just using my Tableau public. So as soon as I go to the Tableau, you can just see. So first thing is says you can get connected to any kind of a data sources or thing. So what we'll do is we'll try to access the data from the Excel, and we'll try to create the report. So I'll just go to the Microsoft Excel. So when I go to this Excel, so we have some sample data source which gets by default when you download the Tableau desktop. So we have a sample superstore. I'll just select this. I'll just say open. Okay. By the time it opens, I just want to show you what is the data that is there. So you can see this is my Excel data. So this is the data about the superstore, the sample superstore data, so which is about the sales data. And when you look into this, we have the various information about order ID, when it was been ordered, how the shipping has happened, what is the name of the customer ID, customer, which country, segments of the customers. Okay, various details, what category, subcategory, sales, quantity, and all these things. And when you look into this, we have almost 1 lakh rows nearly kind of thing. So now this is also a data, but from this particular data, if I have to make some more meaningful information, it becomes really difficult with the help of such a complex data. But with the help of the Tableau, this particular data can be taken into my Tableau, and I can create a very meaningful reports or very informative outputs can be generated with the help of this particular data. Let us see how do we do that. So when I go to this, so you can see, since I have imported the sample superstore, so it shows me all the sheets, what is there. So you can see, so those particular sheets, what is there in your Excel. We have orders, people, returns. The similar sheets are here also. So now I want to generate this particular report based on this particular sheet, say orders. I just drag this, I just place it on this. As soon as I drag, that means I'm importing this data from my Excel into a Tableau, and you can see this whole data is being brought into this. And at the same time, you can see it says it is ready for creating a Tableau worksheet, so where I can create the graphs and things. So if I have to convert this into a more meaningful, I'll just get into this particular sheets. When you get into this particular sheets, again, when you see this particular layout, it looks very similar to a kind of a pivot table that you see in your Excel. So we have something called as a row fields. We have something called as a fields here for the columns, for the calculated fields, and so on. Now, what I want to do is from this particular data, say example, I want to see what is the sales that has happened. So I just want to see the sales. As soon as I just double click on this, we can see it creates a kind of a graph which just shows me what is the sales have happened. And you can see it says it has the sales is more than 2000K. So, but I just want to know the exact value of that particular thing. So what is that I do? I'll just select the sales. I'll just push into the labels. It shows me with the labels what is the value. So that means 2,297,000. This 22 lakhs 97,000. That is the sales what has happened. Now, say example, I want to see this particular sales what has happened, which is divided based on the region. So north region, what is the sales? South region, what is the sales? East region, what is the sales? I want to see based on the region. I just go for this particular dimensions here. So that is the regions, and just double click on that. So you can see it divides the data. And one more thing is, when I get into this particular sheets, you can see it has divided into two sections. We have some dimensions. We call this the dimensions. That is the fields which we can do the grouping. And we do also have this particular thing. So we call this as a measures. So on which you can do the calculations. Fine. It automatically divides us into two sections. So dimensions and measures. So dimensions where I can group the data, and measures I can apply the calculation. So here we can see what it has given me a kind of a brief details of what are the sales that has happened in the central region, east region, south region, west region. I can do a comparison, and then I can come to a conclusion telling that, okay, the west region, so we have got a highest sale. Okay, so this kind of reports can be done very easily. Or I say example, I don't want to see based on the region, but I want to see based on the product wise. So we have something called as the subcategories. I just remove this. It's very easy. Just drag and drop out. It just goes off. I say I want to see based on the categories. So you can see accessories, okay, chairs has done the highest sales. Phones have done the highest sales. What are the different products? How the sales have been done? It is showing you that. Now I want to do this is I want to subdivide this based on the categories. So I can just drag this category, drag and drop it over here. So you can see it is again divided into categories. So that means you can see here, it says, this is my furniture sales. Under the furniture, there's the products, their sales. And this is my office supplies. Okay, so under office supplies, this is the different products what I have the sales, and this is my technology product sales. Fine, so it has been divided. So very easily I can generate this kind of a report. Now I say I want to have some kind of a tabular report, like a cross data report without the graph. Yeah, so we can easily do that particular thing also. I just go here. I just say I want to see based on the category wise. So I want to subdivide the data based on subcategory, and then I just want to have this particular sales. Okay, so the same data what was there in the graph, I can do it in this particular things very easily that I can do it. So that is the beauty of this. Okay, I can create this kind of a reports very easily just on the clicks, either in this format that is in the text formats, okay, or it might be in the graph formats. You can also very easily create a dashboards with the help of this particular Tableau very easily. So let us rename this particular sheet. So I say this is my category wise sales graph. Okay, sales. This is my sales graph, and I'll just say this is my sales say data. So now what is dashboard? Generally, a dashboard is nothing but place where I can combine multiple graphs, multiple data tools into a single place where I can do a better data analysis. So if I want to create a kind of a dashboard, so it's very easy. I just hit on this particular new dashboard. I just get this, whatever the sheets are there. So I say, I want to see this particular graph. Okay. Okay, fine. So I want this particular graph to be sorted in, I just want to say transpose it. I can just put it in the transpose in the vertical, this one. I say I want to show the data just side by side. I can just show it. Fine, you can do that. And then I say I just want to apply some kind of filters on this. I can just select this. I can just say select the filter. Very easily I can just apply. I say I want to filter based on the category. I just get this filters, and I say I just want to place it somewhere down. So you can do a very easy placements options. Okay, and I say I just want to apply this particular filter. That is when you select and deselect some option, I want this to be applied both on the data as well as on this. So in that case, what I do, I just go to the filter, and I just say I want to customize, okay, apply this filter for the complete data source. So now you can see I just want to see only the furniture sales. So you can see what's showing only the furniture sales, what is happening, office supply sales, what is happening. I can just see all these things. So very easily we can create this kind of a graph or the data or the dashboards very easily, very interactive. So we can learn more into details in the coming videos. So this is just about the introduction. So, okay, let us come back. So this can be done very easily with the help of this one, with a Tableau. So now, when it comes to this particular Tableau, so we have the Tableau, it comes with the different, we have 5 different products in the Tableau. We have a Tableau desktop, we do have a Tableau public. So out of which I can say Tableau Desktop and public is mainly for the developers for creating the reports, graph and the dashboards. And also when you want to publish, we have again the different products. We have a Tableau server, the reader and the Tableau online. Okay. Now, why people go for this particular Tableau? So one thing is we have seen when you're working with the Tableau, in hardly few clicks, in no time. So we extracted the data from the Excel, that is a source data, got into the Tableau, and then I went to my worksheet. I just by some few clicks, I created the graphs. I created a tabular data, I created a dashboards. So that means it's very speed, it's very user friendly. You can create a highly interactive dashboards with automatic filters, interactive filters and things. Okay, that is a thing. Apart from that, we can even read the data from the different data sources, not only from the Excel, we can even read the data from the CSV files, we can read the data from the different data sources. And once you've created this particular reports, you should be able to publish this particular things. So with the help of this Tableau, we can very easily publish this reports. So, and Tableau is one of the product which is very highly growing in the market. And so more so Tableau is been proved by the Gartner as the best BI tool. Okay, so what is the Gartner's? So Gartner's, they are like the global research and advisory firm. So then we certify, okay, for this particular tools. Okay, and it's a tool, one of the tools which has been certified by the Gartner, telling as is one of the best BI tool. So this is why people go for the Tableau. Now, what are the data source, what is supported by the Tableau? So we can read the data from the different data sources. It can be a text file, Excel file, the databases, the big data, the cloud application. So even it can be a cloud databases, so you can read the data into this particular Tableau. So now we can read the data from the different data sources. We can create this particular kind of a reports, a graph, or the dashboards. And once you have created this particular interactive dashboards with the help of this particular data source, so next is we need to publish it. So where we can publish it. So in the Tableau, the data can be published either on the desktop. So once we have created the report, the data can be published on the different types of devices. So we can publish on the desktop. So we can publish it on the tablets. We can also publish on the phone. So that means the same, whatever the reports you generate, so it can be viewed across the different devices. Okay, the tablets or the mobile phone or with the desktop. Yeah, this was the introduction to a Tableau, where we have seen what is the benefits of using a Tableau. Okay, we have seen an introduction or how easy it is to create a Tableau. So by getting into a Tableau window, reading the data from the Excel sheet and creating a simple charts, the text data and the dashboards. And then we have also seen, like, different products, what is there in the Tableau and why people go for this particular Tableau, and what are the different data platforms or data sources, what is supported in the Tableau, and the different publishing platform for the Tableau. So thank you. That is for this particular today's session. So thanks.